Hi everyone, in front of me I've got UMIDIGI G5 Tab, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's scroll and find reset options, and at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. So just tap on it, and here we've got the information again. Just tap on reset settings. Be aware because you cannot undo this action. Reset settings, and as you can see here we've got the information, which means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.